Good morning. I've been in the air conditioning industry over 40 years, and I often get the question, is AC maintenance really important? I'm going to tell you it's more important today than it has been in many, many years. Gone are the days of having all the copper coils with wide fin spacing, which allowed the dust to go right through those coils. We have a lot of aluminum coils and tight fin spacing coils now for higher efficiency, which trap that dust in there. And if the air conditioner can't breathe, it can't cool. So having them cleaned on a regular basis is very important. Now, we can't use the chemicals that we have used in the past because those harsh chemicals actually damage the coil and cause refrigerant leaks. So having it taken care of by a professional is very important to know exactly what chemicals you can or cannot use on your coil. Keeping the filter clean is something that you can take care of. Having your filter replaced once a month is a very good idea. Even if it's a pleated filter where they say you get 3 months out of it, I'm going to tell you changing it once a month is going to be huge. When you get your utility bill in, you're usually thinking about how much the air conditioner is running. That's a good time to replace your filter. There are extended pleated filters out there now that will fit in that 1-inch cabinet. So a 3, 4, 5-inch filter will do a much better job of allowing air through as well as trapping small particles and get you a better job done for the air conditioning system. We found a lot of burnt wires on maintenance calls, and the burnt wire is one of those precursors to something bigger burning. When you see a burnt wire, you know that it's about to burn a compressor or burn a fan motor up, something more cost prohibitive than just the wire itself. So having somebody check that out and finding those burnt wires, they can fix that problem before it becomes something bigger. There's a lot of pests that can get into your air conditioning system and things that they can destroy. Ants will get into contactors and shut the air conditioning system down completely. Wasps will get in and around the outdoor unit, building their nests, and children playing around there can get stung. Mice get into the outdoor unit to build their nest, and because mice go in, snakes go in to get the mice. So having your system checked once a year is going to be good to be able to help identify pests starting to get into that air conditioning system. Having the refrigerant level checked is very important as well. Small amounts of refrigerant loss can cause major damage to your system. The refrigerant not only cools the house, it also cools the compressor itself. If the compressor doesn't have enough refrigerant, it will start overheating the compressor. Overheating the compressor causes the compressor to burn. So again, having it checked by a professional on a regular basis is a good thing to keep your system operating long term. It is also required by your warranty. If you have a warranty on your air conditioning system, maintenance is required, and they can void the warranty if maintenance is not done. So be aware of that as well. When you're having your air conditioning system checked out, don't forget to have the indoor air quality products checked out. Many of us in the Deep South here have dehumidifiers on our homes. Filters need to be changed and cleaned on dehumidifiers, drains taken care of on those as well. We want to make sure that any of the UV lights or PCO products you have are working and are still doing the job they're supposed to be doing. The money that you invested in there is now needed to be maintained. So do we need to have maintenance done? I think yes, and hope this helps. Thanks.